Good evening, YouTube. Guess what I'm doing tonight? Making a locos empanada. My version. But I already made the dough and I already have my simple ingredients, which is longanisa already in my freezer. Chicken longanisa and papaya. I bought a shredded one already. Shredded. I'm sorry. I don't have time to do the shred. Buy a green papaya and shred. So I just bought the already done. But anyway, so now I made the dough, right? The dough is rice flour and then a suete powder. So I am going to now put my papaya. You make sure your dough is thick, because the first one I made and it's not, and it fell apart. See, I'm trying another one, so it's okay. Practice makes perfect, right? I'm going to go ahead and do another. So now I'm going to put the papaya. See? Papaya, you make a circle. Then you put the mongo. Mongo, I boil it. I put like 1 cup of mongo, raw mongo. I boil it. And then the longanisa. You just, cook it. Cook the longanisa. I put, this one is chicken. Chicken longanisa. Now, we're going to see if that's going to... Oh, and I forgot, they're gonna put the eggs. So, don't put I just put a little bit of the yolk. There you go, the yolk, because the white, it looks like that's the one that made my first one fell apart. Now, you fold it. Ooh, look. It didn't even stick. Last time, the dough stick to the... Look, guys. And now, you have to cut the edges. Oh, I'm gonna use my cover for one of my glass container, the cover, and you just cut. Look, and then you have to, you have to fry it. But oh man, it's not even sticking. Look at that. Ooh, and it's orange, like the Ilocos empanada that's going viral. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to fry it and show you the result. Guys, here it is, the empanada after I fry it. Look at this. Ooh, it's very crispy. Oh, and look, you can still see the smoke. Oh, looks so good. Looks so good. I'm going to show you to eat it. Oh, yummy. Okay, guys, the cooked version of my empanada Ilocos. Oh, look at that. crunchy, not bad. I don't have banana ketchup. Some people have banana ketchup. I have suka. Vinegar. It's vinegar. Put a little bit of vinegar. Oh man, not bad. I'm actually proud of myself for making that. Wow. Okay. So, this one is Ilocos empanada. My version, I put the longanisa, the chicken longanisa, mongo, and then green papaya. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want to try the, making it, it's just a lot of trial on the dough for my experience, but it's actually, that turned out pretty good. So just make it a little bit thicker so it doesn't fall apart. Okay guys, it's really good. Man, crispy. Wow. Good. My niece and nephew like it too. They tried it. So I know my sister's gonna like it. She's been wanting to go to the store and buy Ilocos empanada. I said I'm gonna try to make it. So there it is, my version. Oh my god, so good. So good, guys. What's up? Not bad for the first time. Homemade. It's really good. I like it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Okay, have a good day. That's my activity that I shared with you. Thank you for watching. I hope everybody's doing good. Okay, bye-bye. Till next time.